Welcome to the AmazingRibs.com First Look Review Highlights. This short video is a quick overview of the 28-inch Tailgater Gather Grill that briefly points out a few noteworthy features which are detailed in our written review. You can read our thorough written review of all the strengths and weaknesses after running temperature tests and cooking on it on AmazingRibs.com at the link in this video. The 28-inch Tailgater Gather Grill, one of the more unique and appealing items we've encountered. Remove the optional smoking hood. Here's the grill grate, with easy access to the charcoal below. Very handy. The griddle has a cutout grease trap to scrape gunk down into the fire. There's a little lip here to grab and lift out, revealing the fire grate below, and an ash pan below the fire grate for quick cleanup. One of the coolest features on this grill is the Lazy Susan design that lets you rotate the cook surface 360 degrees on ball bearings. We really love that. The table consists of wings, which are easy to remove and pop back into place. Removing one for the cook puts you right up close to the food and fire. Just pull the wings up, they come right out. They pop right into these slots. A hook on each wing locks in. Very heavy construction. We're really pleased with this. They lock in tight and line up perfectly for a seamless table, providing a solid surface for you and all your guests. And when you cook, you can spin the grate around to pass foods on to guests or move between hot direct and mild indirect heat from the fire below. Down below is a damper to control air intake. You can see the heavy-duty casters. Adjust the height with these pins. Down low for use as a fire pit, and up high for cooking and eating. And just as the name claims, people naturally gather around and are drawn to it. Fun and functional, the Gather Grill. Be sure to read our complete written review, because AmazingRibs.com is the biggest, baddest barbecue website in the universe.